everybody! Today I am working on a 14 by 14 canvas and I am only using two colors. The first one is Folkart White Pearl, and I don't have the bottle for that because I ran out. Hopefully my order will be here soon. And then the second one is Liquitex Basics Iridescent Graphite. And I recently had done a video using black and white only, and I did a small one also, and I did a tree ring pour with the cloud effect white, and it turned out really cool. So I was kind of interested to see how these two colors would look in a tree ring pour. So that is what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and start getting pouring the paint in my cup. And I'm gonna start with the white in the bottom. And I do not have any silicone in my paints, and they are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. So I'm just gonna put several layers of black and white in here, or iridescent graphite. It's such a pretty color. I used it recently in a couple videos and I got really good results. So hopefully same thing today. It's gonna be just simple, black and white, simple. Alright, so here it is. I'm just gonna bend my cup and I'm gonna start pouring. Okay guys, so it's been about half an hour. I'm going to take in for a closer look. This actually turned out really cool. I like just using these two colors together. And I was a little surprised I got some cloud effect. I didn't use my cloud effect white, but I still got it. It looks really cool. Alright, and then I did this little guy over here. It turned out really cool. I love the design in this. So super happy with this one also. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let these dry and I will be back. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the paintings all dry. I'll take you in for a closer look. I like this one. I think it turned out pretty cool. Got a couple random cells there, no big deal. But I do like how the colors blended. There's, you know, very light to, you know, the very dark. So that's cool. I like that. I love this part right here. I think that looks really nice. But my favorite is the little one. I absolutely love this. I love this area right in the corner there. I love the gold, the bronze gold added to that. I think it looks so cool. So I'm definitely going to be trying that again on a bigger canvas. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.